The power to connect with healthcare providers from anywhere is transforming the industry, and we're here to show you how to be a part of it. Today, we're diving into digital healthcare with a guide on how to build a telemedicine mobile app. First things first, why is telemedicine so crucial? It's not just a trend, it's a lifeline. Telemedicine breaks down barriers, making healthcare accessible to all, anytime, anywhere. Let's look at the numbers. Recent statistics project the telemedicine market to reach staggering heights at USD 330.29 billion by 2029, with an annual growth rate of CAGR of 13.88%. The demand is real and it's skyrocketing. Now, how can you tap into this booming market? Start with a lucrative and appealing business idea. Analyze the competition, study giants like TelaDoc, and find your unique angle. What sets your telemedicine app apart? Next up, the look and feel. A user-friendly interface is a key. A thorough competitor analysis, examining successful platforms like TelaDoc and others, can provide valuable insights into industry trends, user preferences, and potential gaps in the market. Collaborate with experienced UI and UX designers to create a visually appealing and intuitive design that caters to both patients and healthcare providers. Consider factors such as ease of appointment scheduling, online chat, and secure data transmission. For startups, it's all about the MVP. Test the waters with essential features like registration, notifications, and consultations. It's your stepping stone to success. The tech is nitty-gritty. Choose your tech stack wisely. React Native or Flutter for the front end, Node.js or Python for the back end, and don't forget secure databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Confused about the tech part? Connect with Excellent Web World, which helps you to choose the right tech stack for your telemedicine app development. Okay, one more thing to add here is compliance. Some of the popular compliances you can go with are HIPAA, FDA, EL7, and HITECH compliant. The big question. What's the cost? Well, the cost here differs from app to app based on factors like app development company location, app platforms, tech stack, complexity of features, UI and UX design, size of project, number of APIs, and a lot more. Telemedicine app development costs can vary for factors in design, development, testing, and ongoing maintenance. It's an investment in changing lives. And finally, the UA factor, not in disgust, but in easier than you think. Building an app might sound daunting, but with the right plan, it's an exciting journey. Remember, it's all about choosing the right telemedicine app development company to build an app that stands out. Excellent Web World is one such company that stands apart and brings innovation to your telemedicine app idea. Connect with us